other dude's anchor, and now they're like tug of war. Look at that. Look at that shit. That takes talent.
This is qualified captain.
Yes, qualified captain. Oh, and they're gonna hit. There they go. There they go. There they go. Boom. Only in Miami.
What happened? That guy
Only in Miami.
It went bad.
That guy is just bobbing around.
Lo amarran aquí, se va a venir para acá. Algo se les enredó, mi hermano. Debe ser el remote que les trabó.
Oh, hey guys, you mind if I use the dock? You mind if I Hey guys, is it okay if you guys mind? Can I get on the dock, or is that okay? Guys? These guys don't want to get off the dock, I don't think. I got work to do. Look, I got this roof I gotta put in here. Guys, come on. Hey. So it looks like only the strongest survived here. It's only the meanest and baddest sea lions left on the dock. So I'm just gonna let them hang out there, fight each other, and I'm gonna stay on my side of the dock, and I think we'll be alright.
Go! Oh God. Oh God.
Y'all, this beat all I ever seen. Customer bought this boat, stated it wouldn't run. Hold your breath now.
Oh, he's going back in. He's going back in. Oh my God. What the Oh my God.
That's not the water.
Sweet, Lucas.
Not good. Whose friend's that? She alright?
Woo! Oh, oh shit, watch out! Watch out! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Look, we just found this boat. That was in the bottom of Lake Travis.
That's what I found.
On its trailer still. It was completely underwater. Look, there's even spark plugs still in the... Is that a drain plug? I think that's... Oh, I don't know. It's not a drain plug. Bottom of Lake Travis, still on its trailer. It's got mud all over it, and still got the motor, too. We will have to crack into that.
I'm brushing it off. Oh, it's
Look, it's still got the ratchet strap on it. Look at this. Gauges. What is?
It's called
Oh.
a trophy.
Does it still turn?
I'm gonna get on.
Oh. Holy crap, it still turns. That's wild.
Can I
Don't.
get on?
No, it'll probably slide down. Oh, look, what is this?
What's in here?
There's a koozie, there's water bottles. How did this end up? Oh, look, there's water still in there. Look, still on the
fucking line, bro.
Yeah, I catch it.
While we were boating on a windy day, we saw two tourists on paddle boards struggling. They had drifted several miles from the shore, and the currents were only going to bring them out further. There were no other boats in the area, and they had no phones to call for help. So we left.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, bitch, yeah.
Oh,
Eso fue que no lo aguantaron bien, bro. Él chocó con alguien.
Él chocó con alguien, el bote se fue para adelante. Mira pa' eso. Oh my God.
¿De un bote viejo?
A little too much fun yesterday. Yeah, that motor is buried in the sand.